Okay, who'd you talk to?
Oh, I talked to Joseph Ruiz.
Joseph Ruiz?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And Nathaniel. But I think Nathaniel, when they think Houston, I really think I can't look it up right now. I think they said Houston was referred to that one. But I talked to a couple more in
Okay.
the Walker law firm.
Okay.
And
Are you working?
yes, ma'am. But my only problem with working is that the jobs that I've worked, I'm gonna do electrical work and I'm gonna show them. Fortunately, I didn't get the last job I went to interview for.
Okay.
But travel, you know, and travel freely, so I really can't work as much as I.
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Eli, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. And you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true, correct, and then I'll take a look at it. If you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that information.
Yes.
Mr. Garrett, did you get someone hired?
Well, I got a couple of quotes. Corey Crenshaw, I told her that he'll do it for 15,000. And Mr. Boyd, about her outside the courtroom last time I was there, she said 6,000. Now Ryan Gertz never got back with me, and Bobo's Humphrey never got back with me.
Okay. So are you working?
I'm working for myself. Got a BBA downtown. I service tires.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is give you one more reset. If working for yourself isn't making it, then you need to try to get something else on the side to make some more money to try to get someone hired.
Yes, ma'am.
If they haven't called you back, call some others. There's lots of others to talk to. Make sure you talk to 3 more if you haven't hired somebody by the time you come back and bring me that information. Okay. Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset.
Okay.
Good morning. Are you Carisha Mays?
Sure.
And Miss Mays, did you get someone hired?
No, I didn't look up people.
Who'd you talk to? Not looked up people. Who'd you talk to?
James Macon,
Uh-huh.
Gertz Kelly, Williams Marcus, Rennick Law Firm, Lori. Well, no, she told me to call her. And then Brevin Jackson.
Okay. And you talked to all of them and got
Mhm.
quotes. So where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna be able to get someone hired. So I have a job. I'm still waiting for daycare to accept my kid.
Okay.
I'm just in a situation right now where I'm just starting over, so I don't have anything.
Gotcha. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely and swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork. Kevin, good morning. You're Kevin Calise.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Calise, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am. So last court date, I said that I was on the chance of being hired, but they ran the background check and I wasn't able. I didn't meet the qualifications.
Okay,
And-
because this showed up, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. And this last Tuesday, I just got a job.
You did? Where are you working?
Fury Craft.
Say it again?
Fury Craft. It's a restaurant.
Okay. What's your hourly rate?
They're giving me well, like the pay.
Mhm.
Oh, $12.
What?
$12.
$12 an hour. How many hours a week are you working?
They're giving me some little overtime, so from 3 to 60.
I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Okay.
If you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Step in front of the clerk. Davion Mason. Good morning. You're Davion Mason.
Yes.
And Mr. Mason, did you get someone hired? Okay, who'd you talk to?
James Macon.
I need you to speak up, please.
James Macon. Dunn, Joseph Lindbergh, Alvin Samuel, and I wrote this man, Benjamin Jeffrey.
Okay. And so are you working? Why not?
That's the job that had. He was at all. Like he tried to shut the business down or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you been trying to get another job?
Yes, ma'am.
What were you doing? What do you do?
Mechanic.
Okay. I'm going to reset your case one more time. I'm sure you can find a job between now and then. Either get one of them hired or talk to at least 3 others and bring me that information. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Step in front of the clerk. Wyatt Phillips. Good morning, sir. You're Wyatt Phillips.
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Phillips, did you get someone hired?
No, I talked to 3, and I did accomplish a little bit. I got one that told me that he would just listen to my filings and stuff I need, but he just can't physically come to court. He's having health issues.
Okay, who else did you talk to?
The other 2 were just way more money.
Who'd you talk to?
Reagan, Ronaldo,
Hmm.
she told me that it's way
I
out.
can't hear you.
It's way out of my prosecutor's great brain.
Okay,
And that was with all voluntary. And I talked to Eric Franklin. He told me 5,000 down, 500 every 2 weeks. And great checks. He said, will help me and charge me as a friend. He can't come to court. He's having health issues. So I don't believe.
are you working? Are you working, Mr.
I have
Phillips?
Social Security.
Okay,
Live at the crossing in Lucas.
you do what?
I live at the crossing
Okay.
in Lucas, Senior City.
Okay. All right, then I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Phillips, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, all right? Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Chris, and you're Crystal Robertson. Ms. Robertson, did you get someone hired?
I spoke to more than 8 people, but I had a consultation with Marcus Wilkerson, and he suggested that I finalize my payment and to get back in good standing with the credit union. That way I can, because I've been with them for over 20 years.
Well, I don't know what that means.
He
What does that have to do with-
suggested that I finalize my payment back to the institution credit union so that I can get back in good standing since I've been a member for over 20 years. Possibility that I could get my.
Does that have to do with the case?
Yes,
before-
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so, and that might work, but you need to definitely get an attorney
Okay, well.
because that's not going to necessarily make the case go away.
Okay.
Right.
No,
Who else did you talk to?
Marcus Wilkerson.
You are?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I'm going to reset your case one more time to give you some time to get him hired.
Okay.
Just bring the reset notice that you get today to him,
Okay.
if that all works out. If for some reason it doesn't work out with Mr. Wilkerson, then you need to talk to at least 3 others.
Okay.
Bring me those names and then we'll discuss your options.
Okay.
Okay? Step in front of the clerk, please. Good morning, you're Lance Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am. I am supposed to meet up with Brandon Bibby on the 30th out of Houston.
Okay,
And he was wanting 12,000. But I also talked to James Mackin and Lane Walker. It's a mix between Brandon Bibby and Lane Walker that I want me to get.
okay,
And I know Brandon, he's supposed to help me out with the payment plan.
all right. So I'm going to reset your case one more time. That should give you time to visit with the Houston attorney and figure out who you're going to hire and get them hired hopefully before that next court date.
Yes, ma'am.
If it's not going to work out with either of them, then you need to talk to at least 3 others and bring me those names, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk. Did you get those to the D? This is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1115. You're charged with a 3rd-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle on July 27th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am. I talked to Mr. Kevin Lanes though. He gave me a quote. I'm just saving right now. I work at
Okay.
Love's Truck Stop.
Perfect. All right, so I'll reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to get him or anyone else hired.
Yes, ma'am.
If you get him or anyone hired, bring the reset notice that you get today to them and they'll tell you what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
If it's not going to work out for some reason with Mr. Lane, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 other attorneys. They all charge different amounts, different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Good morning, sir. You're Junius Vital. Mr. Vital, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am. They still been, I looked over the one job I need to look at other lawyer check into, they just said I had call Alan Clark.
So what I told you was that Mr. Parker had been appointed to represent you while you were in jail.
Yes, ma'am.
But then I told you to go talk to some others. You talked to some others?
Yeah, Eric Franklin told me like 10,000, another one do on payment plan, payment options.
Okay. Where are you on being able to get someone hired?
When I get a job, not well, in and out of job, baby.
What do you do for a living?
Right now, I'm cutting yards and little labor work.
Okay. Have you tried to get some other jobs?
By the Kroger's, Chick-fil-A as a driver. stuff
Okay.
like that.
right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Vitale, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer since you did what I asked you to do. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. All right, step in front of the clerk, should be that paperwork. Regiana Williams Jones. Regiana Williams Jones, if you'll call the name, please. She's where? Good morning. Are you Aaron Roberts?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Roberts, don't wear sweatpants to court again.
Yes, ma'am.
That's not appropriate for felony court.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get a lawyer hired?
No, ma'am. I did talk to someone and got it some 25 from that. And I did started putting in applications for this getting a second job like they asked me to.
Okay.
And
Who'd you talk to?
Durham and Jones, I think it's called.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. And,
Anybody else?
I talked to somebody else, but they was referenced through a family number, so I don't quite remember his name. But he told me around 1,500, I think.
Okay.
So I have to get his name for the whatever.
Well, that's what you were supposed to bring me today.
I'm so sorry. I was like, I only remember the one that was in my phone, which was
Right. But if you're coming to court this morning, knowing that I'm going to ask you these questions, you should get these paper, write them down.
I remember them off the top of my head, when I called it. Yes, but I put in, like I said, a couple applications on Indeed for you, and I had an interview. I had one Friday, but they had to reschedule for today.
For what?
Stopping the cat.
Okay. And where are you working part-time now?
I told
you
you
not?
I'd do smarter than you can. And they told me that it wasn't good enough, so I had to find another job.
Right. And those are things that I don't necessarily shouldn't have to tell you. I mean, if you're not making enough money to pay for it, you got to go get something else, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if somebody asks you to talk to 3 lawyers and bring those names,
Yes, ma'am.
or you could go to jail, that's probably pretty important to do.
Yes.
Remember and bring those names, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm resetting your case 2 weeks. I want you to bring me, if you get hired by Academy, bring me some documentation that you've been hired. If not, I want you to talk to 3 attorneys and bring me those names.
All right.
If you don't do that, then I will raise your bond, okay?
Yes,
So make sure you follow the rules. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice.
Okay.
Michael, good morning.
Good morning.
You're Michael Sarant?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Sarant, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am, but I have talked to a couple of firms. I don't remember all the names, but I do remember one attorney that I'm working with the payment plans, which is Rob Kenworth.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so same thing. If you know you're coming to court and a judge says, talk to at least 3 lawyers, bring me those names, and if you don't, you could go to jail. Why wouldn't you talk to 3 lawyers and bring me those names?
I'm sorry.
I mean, it's not, I'm sorry. Just follow the rules.
I'm
You know, I mean, how old are you?
26 now.
Yeah, you're old enough to be able to follow the rules. 2 weeks. You have 2 weeks to either get Mr. Kimmler hired or talk to 3 lawyers, which means you got to get busy because they're all busy.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to talk to at least 3, get somebody hired, or bring me those names, or your bond will be raised in 2 weeks. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk.
Yes, ma'am.